Hi, today we're going to be working on our JenStark project where we've created an organic shape and we are doing one layer at a time of color just like she made to create our image. So let's look at my picture. Let's get my image on here. Here's some other cool combinations of how she did hers. So let's blow this up so you can see what we're doing. Just a reminder, this is what the finished product will look like. We have our organic shape that filled our space, and then we have each layer of our color that will trace with our color, leaving a space between our crayon and our black line. So just a reminder, let me show you again how we're going to do this. Here is our organic shape. You're going to take your crayon, leave a space between your crayon and your black line, and you're going to trace all the way around your organic shape. This is just like Jen Stark, our contemporary artist that we've been talking about, who lives out in California. Paints murals and creates those really cool sculptures. Now, once you get all the way around like this, then you take that same color and you color it in solidly. Okay? Like that. Once you finish one layer, then you're going to take a new color. And you can do anything you want. If you want to do rainbow order, you know, red, orange, yellow, greens, blues, and purples, you can. You get to pick whatever colors you want because you're the artist. So for my second color, I'm going to use this blue here. I'm going to put my crayon down, leave a space between your first color and your second color. And we're just going to keep turning our paper. Trace around and take your time. Just keep turning your paper. And what happens is this big weird organic shape that we made is going to be kind of different by the time we get all the way to the middle. With each layer of color, it's getting a little bit smaller, isn't it? And then you will color that one in. And remember, you want to make sure, you know, when you get near your other color, if you want to outline that and then fill it in, that's cool. As long as you're coloring it in solidly so that the colors really stand out. We see all the beautiful ideas that you have chosen to make your piece of art, like Jen Stark, stand out. This is kind of like our big organic splat of color. Kind of like her dripping murals that she painted. Let's get that all colored. Okay? And you're just going to you'll finish coloring in that row, and then you'll get your next color and do the same thing. Leave a space between your crayon and the last color and go all the way around. Now look, it got a little tricky right here in the middle, didn't it? So when I started my orange, I put my crayon down and I started tracing around. But when I got into here, it would have to stop. It had to stop, didn't it? Because the yellow got too small. But I had a little triangle space, so I just filled that in with my orange and I came back around here. So I had that space in the very middle for my last color. Isn't that cool? Okay, well, good luck with finishing this up today. Now, if you get done and you get yours all done and you made sure that you have your name and your teacher code down here at the bottom, then you can get another sheet of paper. I'm just going to draw one on the back here. And you can draw your next organic shape. And if you want to do it in black and white, you can do that. You can do whatever color choice that you want. Maybe I might want to. Maybe I want to do a new design. So you can make another organic splat I think that's a good name for this project. Our organic splats. Remember, take your time. Remember, we're leaving a space between your crayon and your black line. And fill that in. Okay? Alright, so keep working. Add one layer at a time until you go all the way into the center. Alright? Alright, well, have fun, and I will see you next week.